Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell USDT on Trust Wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Trust Wallet application. Then you need to log in into it if you haven't already. Over here on the home page, you will find this sell option. So tap on the option of sell, then select USDT. You can also use the search bar here in the top in order to search USDT. So once you do this, you will find USDT on bunch of different networks like on TRC20 network, on Tron network, or on Solana network. So you need to simply select the network on which you want to basically sell your USDT. If you want to save money on the gas fees, I would recommend you to sell it either on the TRC20 network or the BEP20 network. So once you do this, you will be shown this type of page now where you need to enter the amount of USDT which you want to basically sell. After that, you need to press continue here on the bottom. On the next page, you will be shown a provider. So you need to select that provider. You need to go to the provider's website and create your account there. After that, you need to select your method in which you want to get the USDT after selling it. After doing so, simply confirm your transaction, and this way you will be able to sell your USDT on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.